Not long ago, I was going through a school zone. I hadn't slowed it down to the 35 yet. I was doing about 42 or something. And this goddamn cop sitting there had me pulled me over to the side. He goes, he goes, what are you thinking? I said, well, what I'm thinking is I got a loaded handgun in the glove box and a dead body in the trunk. He goes, out of the car, sir. He spun me around, handcuffed me, leaned me against the trunk of my car. He gets on the radio. He goes, I need the lieutenant. So back up over here. I've got a handgun in the glove box and a dead body in the trunk. So here comes the lieutenant. Lieutenant says, what you got? He says he's got a handgun loaded in the glove box and a dead body in his trunk. He goes, check the glove box. So the cop went up and checked the glove box. He said, nothing there, Lieutenant. He goes, pop the trunk. And he's looking at me, the lieutenant is. He popped the trunk. He says, there ain't nothing in the trunk either, Lieutenant. And I looked at the lieutenant and I said, now that lying son of a bitch is going to tell you I was doing 42 and a 35. Yeah, that's what I know is going to happen. I never say any of that about a gun, body in the trunk. What the fuck? Lying motherfucker. Come down like.